Time for dogs to drink. So, welcome to the vlog. It's Wednesday, and I am completely exhausted right now. Oh, that was a long shopping trip, daughter.
It felt like it was. It felt like it.
We didn't really buy that much today, but it just seems like it just dragged on and on and on.
Well, because we had to keep looking for the right kitty litter for Chris.
Yeah, because she forgot to get kitty litter this weekend.
And then, not any of the stores that we were going to had it. So.
That was ridiculous. How did they not have it? Anyway, we went to Sam's Club first, which we needed almost nothing. Popcorn, creatine, because all the cool kids are using creatine now. Actually, my husband's been using it for a while. Sourdough and some organic tortilla chips because tonight is Mexican night. Sean D looks forward to that so much. So, didn't really get very much at Sam's Club. That was it. It was embarrassing almost. If I hadn't gotten, stuff that I didn't really need that much, we would have been really embarrassed walking out of there empty-handed or with just a bag of chips or something. So, piss poor planning, I suppose. After Sam's Club, we went to Target, where I got Sean some understorage containers because he's got to get those sweaters out of his closet because it's taking up so much room. I can barely fit his clothes in there anymore. I really need to go through his clothes and donate some stuff. We got some Beyond sausage, which was 50% off. I hope this is not because they're getting rid of Beyond. Don't do it, Target. Sam's Club already did it. Don't do it. There's not going to be many places to buy Beyond. That's from Michael's. Don't look at that. Although, look at it. I got that for the crochet books. But, yeah. That's from Michael's. I got some extra virgin olive oil because I'm almost out and my olive oil that I order online hasn't come yet. I decided to step outside of my comfort zone and get Pina Colada in the Liquid Death series here. So this is something new. I haven't tried this one yet. I hope it's good. And I treated Sean D to a baby Bowser Jr. from the Mario Galaxy movie. I hope he likes it. If not, I'll just take it back. But, yeah. So then, after Target, we didn't really buy that much at all. After Target was Michael's, which we're not going to talk about. We're going to talk about that for the crochet video. We got some good stuff. And then we went to Aldi. This is where I bought the most of the stuff. So I got 2 bags of frozen broccoli in there. Dark chocolate Reese's Puffs, because Sean really likes this. And he has it for breakfast sometimes, but he also has it for snack. He likes it. I got this on the off chance that it might work for our setup for selling plushies. We'll see if we can fit it in somehow. I got these, I guess these are diatomaceous earth, stages to put soap dispensers and stuff on so that there's not water sitting on your counter all the time making rings and water spots and everything. Got some 2-pack of gardening gloves here because the gardening's got to start. Puke salsa for tonight. Some shredded mozzarella. Of course, it's vegan. Some baby carrots. They have the new Aldi brand now. So this is one of the first products I've seen with the new Aldi branding on it. It's chili crisp rice, already par-cooked. Vegetarian cheese for pizza night. It's not vegan, it's just vegetarian. Steak fries. Romaine, Wild Wonders. What else did we get? I think that's it for Aldi. Yes. Then after Aldi, we realized that we didn't get Kristen's cat litter because Target didn't have it. And then we were like, should we go to the pet store or should we just go to ShopRite? Because I know the ShopRite that I go to all the time has it. And she likes the feline pine like the shelters use. I use that too when when we first got Lammy, because that's what she was used to from the shelter. But it can be a pain in the ass to scoop, so that's why I switched to an automatic litter box, because, and you can't use that one in the automatic litter box, which is a bummer because I really like the way it smelled. Or should I say, I really like the way it didn't smell. But the one that we have now is good too. We actually have two different ones. I use the scoopable clumping one for the poops, because she only does poops in the automatic box now. Because she likes to use the crystal litter in a regular cat box for the peepees. So it's like on Young Frankenstein. One hamper for your dress shirts and one hamper for your poo-poo undies. Don't mix them. And socks, right. So we went to ShopRite and I just basically got a drink. This is Maddie's drink, but mine's in the car still. And 2 Darings because they were on sale for $4.99 each. And then I had to run to Petco, where all the pets go, apparently. No one was in there. And get the feline pine. So that was our shopping trip. It was long, fairly uneventful, and yeah.
I had a good time.
I had a good time too, but it just seemed like it dragged on forever. Oh, hi.
Hello there.
Somebody's just starting to crank it up over there.
Starting YouTube Poop Wizard of Oz edition.
Shawnee, that's a little loud. He was so quiet before I turned the camera on.
You know how to be.
So it's Thursday evening.
Yes.
It is 6 o'clock on a Thursday. Family night, pizza night, live stream night on the Mad Rose D channel.
That's right.
You don't need a date. It's a party every Thursday.
That's for sure.
Yeah, so Sean and I just came from the nephrologist.
How did it go?
Great,
Wonderful.
I suppose. I
I mean,
mean,
he came home in a good mood, so
all he did there was sit and fall asleep.
that's great.
So it's just another one of those talking doctors.
Yeah.
So that was fun.
Okay.
We're good for another 6 months.
That's what you like to hear.
I know. And I gotta make some pizza dough in a few minutes.
Yeah, I gotta get in the shower in a few minutes.
Always
some more crocheting.
Yeah, drowning in yarn.
Yeah,
not
but
a
you
bad
love that.
thing.
You love that.
It's not a bad thing.
Yeah.
But we do have some birthday shout outs.
Oh.
There's some good ones.
I know well, they're all good, but I know for
Yeah.
a fact there's a big OG tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness.
Mm-hmm.
Hanley.
Hamley.
Hamley, happy birthday. Yeah, Sean D calls him Hamley.
Hamley is like our 18-year-old son.
Yeah. Well, your son.
Oh, yeah. He's your older brother.
Yeah,
He's
even
been
though I'm
around.
older than 18.
Oh, that's right. No, I mean, he's
Like-
18 years older than you.
Oh, I don't know about that.
Probably not.
This is getting all mixed up. You mean he's been around in our
right, for
YouTube
18
sphere
years.
for like 18 years probably,
Yeah.
which is crazy.
Yeah,
Close to that anyway.
yeah. So, Hanley, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Hanley.
You old coot.
Sorry, that whole thing was very convoluted.
I know. Well, you know what? My brain is trash right now because
It's okay.
I've been under the gun all day today.
Mm-hmm.
But Hanley, I bet you didn't know that you had a birthday twin.
Oh.
None other than Be Divine.
Be Divine, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hope it's wonderful.
I know. So that's a good day to have a
Friday birthday.
Yes.
Let's go.
That means you get the whole weekend.
That's right.
Hope you got plans. All right.
Or not. I mean, it's really nice to have a chill birthday too.
True. I don't always like to make a big deal on my birthday.
Yeah.
I like to keep it low key.
Yeah. You say that, but then, like, you're always disappointed on your birthday.
I am.
Well, in past years anyway. Maybe not in recent years.
I was.
Yeah, you used to have a toot on your birthday.
Oh. Okay.
I don't want anyone to do anything, but I'm going to be mad if they don't do anything. It's one of those situations.
Okay.
You don't really do that anymore, though.
All right. I wasn't aware of this, but...
Oh, come on. We've talked about this before. Lady.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh, my God.
On Sunday,
Okay.
we have none other than Elizabeth Keck.
Elizabeth, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Elizabeth. I bet you didn't know that Elizabeth is 68 years young this year.
Oh, wonderful.
Yes.
Very nice.
And that's it for the birthday shout-outs.
Okay.
I hope everyone who we mentioned
Mm-hmm.
is having a wonderful birthday, day, week, month, year, lifetime of birthday happiness.
Yeah.
And to all of the birthday recipients, yeah, clack it up. Who we didn't mention, I hope you're also enjoying just as much,
For sure.
if not more.
Yeah.
Even if you said you didn't want anything, I hope you get something.
I can't believe you're denying this right now.
I'm not denying it. I just don't remember it
Oh.
as clearly as you.
We've literally talked about it.
Okay. And
Talking floating head.
hey, talking floating head. Hey, rich man.
Hey.
So now I totally forgot. Oh, happy Easter to all the Greeks
Oh, yes.
this weekend.
Wonderful.
Tomorrow's their Good Friday,
Mm-hmm.
and then Sunday
Number 1.
is
Greek
their
Easter.
Easter. Greek Easter,
Orthodox
baby.
Easter.
Number 2.
Make sure you got your
Number 3.
candles. Bring them home at midnight.
All right.
Number 4.
Make the cross on the door frame.
Number 5.
Oh, yeah?
That's what they do.
Okay. You do you.
I never celebrated Greek Easter. It's just what Daddy has told me from
Yeah.
when he was a kid. Because apparently it's a thing.
I believe it.
Knock the eggs together. right.
Okay.
All right. It sounds like somebody is getting home, so
Yeah, I think so.
I think we need to wrap this up before the dog starts. The dog, Bowie.
Bubby.
None other than Bowie Stardust starts barking,
Yes.
borking. All
All
right.
right. Thanks, everybody, so much for being here. We will see you soon. We hope you have a wonderful weekend. And until next time, much love.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Too late.